Greetings, affiliate marketers. Did you know that TikTok has an affiliate program? It is called the TikTok for Business Affiliate Program. I'll leave the link down below. Basically, you're recommending TikTok ads or potential advertisers to advertise on TikTok, and you will earn 20% of their ad spend. And here are more information on becoming a business affiliate partner. It is free to join, and it is managed through Impact Affiliate Network. So I am currently approved as an affiliate partner with the TikTok for Business program right here. So let me zoom in a little bit over here. The earning per click for 30 days for this program is 28 cents. The acceptance rate for joining the TikTok Business Affiliate Program is 30%. And here's how it works. You earn money or 20% for advertisers' ad spend. Here are the current countries that they will accept. And if you have a big site or if you're an influencer, you can contact them to negotiate for placements on your site or in your videos or podcasts. It is open to influencers. So this is a relatively newer program. Alright, that's it for this video. Check it out below. TikTok for Business Affiliate Program. Earn 20% of advertisers' ad spend that you refer. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy marketing.